Good evening everyone, this is by-DEGALA-BALAJI. Welcome back to my channel DB Stock. Let us discuss what is going to happen in tomorrow's market about the Bank Nifty and Sensex, and also the other two stocks, Titan and Nestle. Firstly, let us start with the Nifty 50 with the weekly time frame. In weekly time frame, we have seen the hammer candle in the last week, and this week we have then we can see the very big candle, bullish candle in the market. That means it's a good sign for bullish momentum. And then how it's going to be next week, that means after the breakout of this high, that means this level, after breakout of this level we can expect the target of 25,600 will be the next target. If market opens flat or gap down or slightly gap up also, I was on bullish side. Why? Because till the breakdown of this 25,050 or 25,100, 25,050 and 25,000 round level, till then I don't see any selling opportunity in the market. Till then I expect, that means till then I will wait for the price action breakout. Suppose, what is meant by the price action breakout means, suppose if market opens gap down opening, after the gap down opening, slow and steadily if market reaches this 25,000 round level, means after the breakout of this opening level, that means opening candle, if 5 minutes candle or 15 minutes candle open, after that slow and steadily markets will retrace for some time. That means till the reaches the 25,000 we have to wait and watch, and after the pullback, within the pullback we can expect the bullish momentum. That means we have to go for the bullish momentum with the confirmation of the candlestick pattern at this point, and after the breakout of this day's candle, that means days first candle, 5 minutes or 15 minutes candle, we can add the position to the quantity. So at that point, if market given the breakout means, so we have to go for the bullish momentum. Why? Because in the bullish trend we have to buy the, that means we have to go for buying only on the dip. That means when the market retraced, go for dip, and after that slow and steadily add the position. Slow and steadily go add the position, and after reaching the resistance we have to book the profit. Why? Because when it is going to, that means when it is on bullish trend, only on the retracement we have to go for the buying. But by seeing the retracement or some correction in the market, we don't need to expect the selling in the market. Okay, let's see this in day time frame. In day time frame also, it's very clear that market have given the, this is the price action breakout. Already we have discussed that the price action breakout is nothing but, see, after reaching this 50% level, actually this is the 50% level to this range. After reaching this 50% level, we have seen two continuous hammer, the shooting star candles in the market, but market failed to give the breakdown of this range. So after that, slow and steadily market gives the breakout of this range and went upside. See, this is how we have to go for the upside. That means we have to go for buying, we have to see the buying opportunity in the uptrend. That means when it is moving upside, we have to go for slow and steadily, we have to go for the movement, we have to go for the buying only when it is giving the some correction. Now what is going to happen? This is the big candle. So tomorrow if market open gap down or slightly gap up, or market if it fail to give the breakout of this first 5 minutes and 15 minutes candle also, I don't see any selling opportunity in the market. I will wait. Why? Because if market closes within this candle, means this can be seen as a inside candle, and after the breakout of this inside candle we can expect the target of 25,450 and 500 will be the next target. We can expect the target. This is the resistance. So if market comes down till this 25,000 round level, 25,000 or 25,050, if till the market breakdown of this range, I don't see any selling opportunity in the market. Till then I see just it as a retracement and correction in the market, and after that this is a small correction, not big correction. Till then we don't need to go for any selling, or we don't need to see any selling opportunity in the market. After the breakdown of this 25,000 round level or 25,550 only, I go for the selling opportunity in the market. Let us see this in 15 minutes. In 15 minutes also, it's very clear that this is the market. After opening itself, market moves within a very bullish momentum, slow and steadily, and after that market becomes sideways on Friday. Now what is going to happen? If market opens flat or slightly gap up opening, means after the breakout we can go for the selling buying opportunity in the market. Or if not, if market slow and steadily continuously coming downside, means we have to wait till this range. That means 25,250 or 200 we can expect the target. That means we can expect the pullback from here, 25,200 or 250. Why? Because after that we can expect some bullish momentum in the market, or otherwise if market is not ready to give the pullback from this 25,200, means we have to wait for tomorrow's, that means we have to wait for one more day. Why? Because the market will close within this range, means we have to wait for the confirmation till the breakdown of this 25,000 round level or 25,050. We don't need to, I don't see any selling pressure in the market. I don't go for any selling opportunity in the market. Till then we have to wait and watch. Suppose if market opens flat or gap up opening, after that if it gives the breakout, means I will see the buying opportunity in the market. Or if market opens below the 25,000 round level, so 25,200 level, means I will wait and watch for the next day, and after the breakout only I will take the buy. I will see the buying opportunity and I will take the buy entry in the market. I see the buy entry in the market. Next one is Bank Nifty. The Bank Nifty is also in the same scenario. Firstly, let us start within the weekly time frame. In weekly time frame, Bank Nifty is ready to move towards the upside with the resistance of 57,000 round level. 57,200 or 300 will be the first resistance. We have seen the resistance in the weekly time frame. So if market opens flat or gap up opening, means after the breakout, within this breakout itself we can accept the first target as a 57,000 round level. But what is the scenario after the two continuous green candles we can see in the market is next candle should be pause candle. Why? Because see here, this is the two continuous green candle, the next candle is the pause candle. Maximum to maximum after the two continuous green candle we can expect the profit booking in the market. As a head of resistance, we have to wait and watch till this resistance breakout. We don't need to go for an aggressive buying, as this is the 400 points to reach the market. There is only 400 points to reach the resistance, so we have to be careful. After reaching this resistance, we have to wait and watch how the market is behaving at this range, and after that I expect for the next week as a pause candle. Only pause candle I expect for the next week in weekly time frame. Let us see this in day time frame, how this works. In day time frame, we can clearly see that in the same scenario how the Sensex given the momentum in the same scenario. See, after that reaching the resistance, we have seen the series 2 continues some shooting star candle formation, but it failed to give the breakout and breakdown towards the breakdown of the shooting star. But after that, slow and steadily given the breakout of this thing. Now what is going to happen in tomorrow's market in the day time frame? This is a big pause candle. This is the some big green candle. If it opens flat or slightly gap up opening, means, or somewhere around slightly gap up opening, means we can expect the pullback after the 15 minutes closing candle. After taking the market support of 15 minutes closing candle, we can expect the target towards upside with the target of 57,200 and 57,250 will be the next target. Or if market opens gap down opening or somewhere around slow and steady, if it opens gap down, means I will see the next candle as a pause candle. If it becomes a pause candle, means I go for some aggressive, maybe I can plan for some aggressive buying on Tuesday. Why? Because if market becomes a pause candle tomorrow, means after the breakout of this pause candle we can expect some bullish momentum in the market. So after the breakout of this inside candle, we can expect the target towards upside, and till the breakdown of this range, that means this level 56,800 or 700 800 56,700 800 level, that means after the till the breakdown of this level I don't see any selling opportunity in the market. Till then I will wait and watch. If market opens gap down, means I will wait and watch. Let us see this in 15 minutes. 15 minutes also, it's a very good scenario for buying opportunity. Why? Because if market opens gap up or flat means till the breakdown of this range, we can see the bullish momentum, bullish pressure in the market. If it opens gap down opening, means 56,500 only we have to see the selling. That means we have to wait till this range reach. If market taken the 56,000 round level as a support, means from here there is a chances for the reversal. If it reverse from here, means after the breakout of this neck level we can expect the target towards the 57,000 round level, we can expect the target. Or if market fail to give the pullback, if it opens flat or gap down, means that is the scenario I am telling now. If it opens flat or gap down, means we can expect the pullback after reaching this 56,500. From here we can expect the pullback. Or if market fail to give the pullback from 56,000 round level, means we have to wait. Why? Because the most probability will be the market will close within this range, but we cannot expect any momentum towards. That means it will become some volatile momentum or sideways momentum we can expect the tomorrow's market. Why? Because after opening a gap down, if it failed to take that support of the 56,000 round level, 56,500 level means we don't need to go for any aggressive buying or selling in the market. Why? Because till the breakdown of this 57,000, 55,800 or 850, till this range breakout, we don't need to go for any selling. We need to see any selling opportunity. I don't want to see any selling opportunity in the market. And after the breakdown of this 56,500 only, we have to wait and watch. From here, if it reverses means it's a good sign for the bullish momentum. We can go. Let us see the Sensex. Firstly, let us start with the weekly time frame. In weekly time frame, Sensex is also the same scenario, just like the Bank Nifty 50. After this hammer candle formation in the Sensex, we have expected the target of 82,500, but if the market reaches this target. Now what is going to happen after the breakout of this 82,600 or 700 level? After the breakout, we can expect the target of 84,000 round level will be the next target. That's the next target we have to expect in the after the breakout of this range. But what happened mostly after reaching the resistance of 83,000 level, we can expect some pause candle. If market wants to form a pause candle means after reaching the resistance, we have to, that means after reaching this resistance, the market will retrace and market will get some correction, and after that it may, in that formation of the pause candle, we can expect some downfall from the 83,000 to 82,000, and after that market will recover. And from after becoming the pause candle, the next week, if this pause candle is given the breakout means we can expect the target of 84,000 very confidently. Why? Because after the big green candle or red candle, any pause candle appears in the market means after that pause candle breakout, we can expect the target very confidently. That's the scenario I'm expecting. If I'm expecting the pause candle for the next week. If that after that next week, if that pause candle is given breakout by the market means we can expect the target of 84,000 very confidently. Let us see this in day time frame. In day time frame is the same scenario I already told you in the weekly time frame. See here, if after the breakout of this range, we can expect the 82,000, 83,100, 200 will be the next target, and also there is a gap to be filled in the area, and this is the first time resistance. So we can I wait and watch at this range. That means I don't go for any aggressive buying till the breakout of this range, and after reaching this resistance, I will wait, and there will be some correction for this range. And if tomorrow market opens gap down opening and slightly if market opens gap down opening and after that it fail to give the breakout of this range means days high, that means they fail to give the breakout of this 15 minutes candle, or if market fail to give the 5 minutes or 15 minutes candle means fail to give the breakout or breakdown of this range means I expect the tomorrow's market will be within this candle itself. That means market will close within this candle itself. So it is also, if market closes within this candle means we can expect very good buying momentum. That means it's a very good sign for the bullish momentum after the inside candle formation. If after the inside candle formation, if market gives the breakout means we can expect the good buying momentum in the market. Let us see this in 15 minutes time frame. And also till the breakdown of this, just a minute, and also till the breakdown of this day time frame, till the breakdown of this range 81,700, I don't see any selling opportunity in the market. Till then I will wait and watch. If market is slightly given the breakdown of this 82,000 round means after the breakdown of this 81,700 only I will plan aggressive selling. Till then I don't plan any aggressive selling in the market. Let us see this in 15 minutes time frame. In 15 minutes time frame also it's the same scenario like how the Bank Nifty is moving. See, this is the neckline now presently. If market opens gap up or flat after this, if it gives the breakout of this 82,600 means you can expect the target of 83,000 will be the next target we can expect. Or if not, market opens gap down opening means after reaching this 82,300 support we can expect the pullback from here. If market fail to give the pullback from here means we can expect the inside candle and market will close within this range. So after the formation of inside candle, the next day, if this inside candle given the breakout means we can expect the target of, we can expect some bullish momentum very confidently. Let us see this in Titan, how the Titan is moving. In Titan, firstly let us see this in weekly time frame. In weekly time frame, its market is presently at the 50% level. See here, This is the 50% level for this swing. So we can for this range we can expect the target of 50. That means from here we can expect the target based on the first 5 minutes candle breakout or breakdown level. See, suppose if tomorrow's candle in day time frame formed a pause candle, after that next day if any candle is not ready to give the breakdown towards downside, means we can expect that market is in the bullish momentum. So after the breakout of this range only, we have to go for the buying up, see the buying opportunity in the market. See, here it is exactly the 50% level for this swing. So we have to wait and watch. If only after the breakout of that range only we have to go for the buying opportunity in the market. See, here in day time frame it's very clear. See, this is a very big after the formation of the big candle. I told you that previously, if it's a next candle is pause candle, if this inside candle high is given breakout, means we can expect the buying momentum aggressive. That means we can expect some bullish momentum but to the market aggressively. Why? Because see, after the formation of the big inside candle, if this given, means we can expect some good momentum. But what happened here, it failed to give the breakout and also failed to give the breakdown also. Now I see after the breakout of this range, I will go for the buying opportunity in the market. After the breakdown of this range, we can expect the downside momentum. Why? Because there is a gap to be filled in this market. So if it gives the breakout, means it's a good sign for the buying momentum, and if it failed to give the breakdown also, it is a good sign for bullish momentum in the market. Till then we have to wait and watch. If it downside momentum means we don't need to go for any aggressive buying momentum till the breakout of this range, as this is a 50% level. After the correction we can expect. And if not, if market is not ready to go for the buying, means slow and steadily after reaching this range, again we can expect the buying momentum after reaching this gap. Let us see this in 15 minutes time frame. See here, after reaching, there is a gap of opening on 8th October. After reaching this after opening the gap of opening, market reaches slow and steadily reaches the high and form that means the market is particularly consolidating at some range. So after this range breakout only, we have to go for bullish buying momentum. Or if not, if market opens gap up, means I will wait till this 3,500 round level. After the breakout of this 3,500 level only, we can expect the selling in the market. With the gap filling area will be the target, we can expect the target. Or if market is not open below this 3,500 level, means if it opens above the 35,050 only, I see the selling opportunity. If it opens below the 3,500 level, means I see the if it opens below the 3,500 level, means I see the selling opportunity. Or if market opens above the 3,550, or if any candle sustain above the 3550 only, I will see the buying opportunity in the market. Till then we don't need to go for any aggressive buying or selling in the market. Let us see this in Nestle also. In Nestle, we can expect the target of firstly, let us start with this in weekly time frame for Nestle. It's a very good sign for bullish momentum. After the hammer candle formation, market started to give the momentum towards bullish momentum. After that is given the breakout of this 50% level. So market given the breakout of this 50% level, market is closed at the top. Now what is going to happen in the next week means, after the breakout of this range, we can expect the target of this 1250 will be the next target, as the market is the market has been tested many times. That means this resistance has been tested many times. So now this time for breakout, we can expect the breakout towards upside confidently. Let us see this. After reaching the breakout, after reaching the resistance, we can expect the breakout. Why? Because this resistance has been tested multiple times. So we don't need to go for any we don't need to see any selling opportunity in the market. In the day time frame, it's the same scenario. This has been tested multiple times. This level has been tested multiple times. So after the breakout of this candle, see, after continuous 3 days candle, we can expect some selling momentum. If it directly opens gap opening, after the gap up opening from 1210 or 15, we can expect some selling momentum, and after this slow and steady again market will recover and it will goes towards the it will move towards the 1250. So we don't need to expect any selling momentum till the breakdown of this 100, and that means 1165750, that means 1170. We don't need to expect any selling opportunity until and unless if it opens gap down below this 1160. We don't need to see any selling opportunity. Okay, let us see this in 15 minutes time frame. In 15 minutes time frame, market continuously went upside without any retracement. See, slow and steadily market went upside without any retracement, as is the resistance. We don't need to, we have not seen any resistance, that any retracement. So what is going to happen in the market for the tomorrow's market means, if market opens below this range, that means below this range 1180, sorry 1188 means we don't need to expect any selling opportunity. Or if market opens below, that means market opens within this range, means we can expect the buying momentum after the breakout of this range, as this 15 minutes closing candle will become the support for this resistor for the market, and after that breakout of this range we can expect the target of 1250 within this week. We can expect the target of 1250 within this week, maximum to maximum it will reach within this week. Thank you, and this is my view.